we make a very delicious banana cake. We swap banana for the sweetness. We add some other ingredients in. We mix it and out comes a very nice, the most delicious banana cake ever. Peel bananas and mix it. So banana is very sweet. We add only very little bit sugar, butter, 3 eggs, and flour. And the top secret, a little bit cinnamon. We mix it again. So now we put it in a tin. It's 2 cakes. When you have a guest, one for you, one for your guest, it's very nice. So blop. Super delicious. You put it in the oven, 10 minutes in the oven or 15, and out comes the delicious cake.
A few moments later.
So now the cake is ready. The smell are very nice. For this, we cut a bit of chocolate for the finishing. So I like it when it's a bit big, the things. It looks nice, looks beautiful. We add it, because the cake is still hot, the chocolate it's melting. And then it looks nice. And even it gives a special taste. So
don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me high.
What do you say?
done.